And the winner is... There's hope. We are giving away something else. What are we giving away next, babe? Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us!
Okay guys, special bonus vlog today. Today we are announcing the winners of the first giveaway for the Epic Summer Giveaway Contest. And if you didn't know, for the first giveaway, we gave away our giant RV mat. Exactly.
Not ours. Yeah. We gave away our RV mat.
The same one that we have, and the winner is...
Taryn Overholt.
What? Congratulations. So here's how it's gonna work. You have 7 days to get a hold of us, whether it be via email or via DM on Instagram, some sort of format like that. And if, Taryn, you cannot get a hold of us within 7 days, we're gonna draw another winner and give it away to somebody else who gave it away. So don't give up. The possibility for you to win the RV mat is still there. But if you do just want to give up defeat and admit that you didn't win it, there's hope. We are giving away something else. What are we giving away next, babe?
Stuff. I don't remember. Chicks Life merch coupon.
Not a coupon, a gift certificate.
That's what I meant. That's what you told me to say.
We're giving away...
Not smart.
We're giving away a $20 gift certificate to the Chicks Life merch shop, so you can get a shirt like this or a hat like this. By the way, I really love these hats because if you never noticed, it says "Stay Positive" on the side. I love that. Anyways, Ashley doesn't have her hat or anything on.
I have nothing on.
But we do actually have some shirts kind of cool like that. We have different RVing shirts and whatnot. Here, I'll show you right now. Here are some of the options that you could purchase with your $20 gift certificate. Oh, but not only that, another big announcement about the merch. This month, for the month of July, there is free shipping on all the orders. So that right there saves you another $5 to $10 on shipping. So if you guys ever wanted to get merch, this is the month to do it because the air conditioning just turned on and got really loud. So if you're gonna do it this month. Free shipping on all orders through our merch shop at thechickslife.com. You guys can check that out down below in the links or right there in the iCard.
I think it's time for me to get a shirt.
I know, I was just gonna say, we actually have a few new designs. The Bigfoot design specifically I wanna get, and then I think you would look good with the Eat, Sleep, RV, Repeat shirt, so I think you should get that tank top. So you have 10 days to enter in for the Chicks Life merch, the $20 gift certificate. On the 12th of July is when the contest will end, and then we'll announce the winners a few days later, I think around the 14th.
Yes.
Or we'll put up a separate video like this, because the reason we're putting out this video is I kind of forgot.
I was going to say, I think we might try and announce this one a little early so that if they want to take advantage of the free shipping.
Yeah, we'll definitely give you a couple weeks to utilize the coupon on the website before the free shipping goes away. But
it's a gift certificate.
Did I say coupon?
Yes.
Dang it. Ha! Okay, until next time guys, remember, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure, so make some memories.